Tired of reinventing the wheel every time you need to send out a common document? Docusign templates are your secret weapon. Let's jump right into creating a template first. Log into your Docusign account and click on the Templates tab at the top of your screen. This is your template command center. Now, click on the New and select Create Template. This will open a new window where you can upload your base document. This could be a Word file, a PDF, or anything you use regularly. Once your document is uploaded, you'll be able to add recipient roles, specify roles like client, manager, or employee, define the signing order by dragging and dropping recipient names. Now for the magic, add fields for signatures, dates, text boxes, and more by simply dragging them from the left-hand panel onto your document. Position them where you need information. Assign each field to the correct recipient role. Don't forget to give your template a descriptive name and add a brief description. This will help you easily find it later. Check the sharing settings to decide who else in your team can use the template. Once you're satisfied, click Save and close. Your template is now ready to use. To send a document using your template, simply select it and fill in the recipient information. Docusign will automatically place the fields for signatures and other details. That's it. You've successfully created and used a Docusign template. This will drastically reduce errors, ensure compliance, and save you loads of time. Start streamlining your document workflow today.